It was your boy Will. I'm making a video, and today we will clean up with Will. And this is day 19. I'll repeat, this is day 19. We are doing this for 7 minutes. Let's get this over with, man. Hopefully this won't fall down. Come on now. All right, let's go. I mean, if I touch the honey, excuse me, I'll talk to myself. Had to excuse me, man. Self-talk is everything. Call me crazy if you want to. Care less. Even you in the mirror, it's okay. Give yourself a talk by yourself. No, it's okay to talk to yourself. People might think it's crazy and all, but it's not. It all depends what you're talking about. It all depends on what you're talking about. Everybody want to be with Cassinet and everything. Y'all folks not even real content creators. So how the heck you want to be with Cassinet? Even Cassinet not going to play. If you're not a real content creator, he not letting you in his university, bro. I just feel like you can do it on your own, bro. Some people can, but not everybody. I know I can. If you got a plan and everything, but everybody not cut like that. Everybody need assistance on certain things. It's okay. Get some problems. But yeah, don't be searching for Cassinet if you ain't no real content creator. Content creator, bro. Simple as that. I'm a real content creator, but I don't even need that. Like Cassinet stuff, so you can get my views up and everything. I don't need that. It might help, you know, but I don't need that. I got a plan for myself. Exactly. I just had to work my plan. That's all. I'm in the game. It's a consistent with every single day. Every single day. Every single day. Every single day. The goal goes for all you people. If you have a plan for anything, just work it. Just work it, you know. That's all you have to do is work it. That's it. Everything later and down the road should fall in your hands. That's if you stay on the road. Don't give up so easily after 5 months or a year. Don't do that, bro. We as young individuals, bro. It's okay if you need a break, but don't don't be the ones out here quitting so easily. You know, after a little bit of months doing what you're doing. If you need help from somebody, go ahead and get help. But again, nobody's not gonna help you like that. You're just gonna have to figure it out on your own. So everything you need to figure out, you need to put it on paper and search for the correct answers. You might not find the answers instantly, you know. You might find some though. I keep getting copyrighted. I don't know, man. I don't like that. YouTube be on some bull. It messed up my hard work. Alright, y'all. Remember, if you have a plan, work the plan and stay consistent with it. That's all you have to do, and everything should fall in your hands. It's what we're checking out.